How can a tiny seed, smaller than a toothpick, bring magical power to your body? Chia seeds and basil seeds, though they may look alike, hide completely different secrets. Which seed will be your health hero? Which one will help cool you down, aid in weight loss, or boost your heart and brain? And, more importantly, how do you use them for maximum results? Join me as we dive into the world of these tiny seeds, where every spoonful is a treasure trove of nutrition waiting to be discovered. Are you ready? If so, comment "ready" now, and we'll start this journey together. First, let's understand a question many people have. What are chia and basil seeds, and why are they hailed as superfoods? Both are tiny, shiny black seeds, and when soaked in water, they swell into a translucent, jewel-like gel. But don't let their similarities fool you. Each seed has its own story, different nutritional treasures, and a special mission to improve your health. Let's explore each one to understand them more deeply, and I'll reveal the secrets of how they can become powerful allies on your journey to good health. Chia seeds, a treasure from South America. Chia seeds, also known as the black gold of the Mayans, originated in the fields of South America, where ancient civilizations like the Mayans and Aztecs used them for thousands of years. Why did they love this seed so much? The secret lies in the concentrated nutritional power packed into these tiny seeds. Imagine that every spoonful of chia seeds is a natural vitamin, full of fiber, protein, plant-based omega-3s, and essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and zinc. To be more precise, in 100 grams of chia seeds, you get about 34 grams of fiber, which is more than a bowl of oatmeal. This fiber not only helps you feel full longer, aiding in weight loss, but also keeps your digestive system running smoothly, prevents constipation, and helps control blood sugar levels. Are you looking for a way to manage afternoon hunger? Chia seeds are the answer. Additionally, the plant-based omega-3s in chia seeds are a hero for the heart, helping to reduce inflammation, improve blood circulation, and even keep your brain sharp. If you're a vegetarian or want to supplement your nutrition without relying on meat or fish, chia seeds are a perfect choice. But what really makes chia seeds special? It's the ability to absorb 10 to 12 times their weight in water. When soaked in water, milk, or a smoothie, chia seeds create a unique gel, making it easy to add them to any dish, from salads and yogurt to baked goods. Have you ever tried adding chia seeds to your morning juice? If not, try it today and share how you feel in the comments.
Basil seeds, a cooling friend from the U.S. While chia seeds come from distant South America, basil seeds are a familiar friend, especially in America and many Asian countries. If you've ever had a refreshing iced lemonade or a sweet rice pudding, you've definitely come across basil seeds. This seed is not just a common ingredient, but a long-standing health secret in American culture. What's special about basil seeds? Their most outstanding feature is their ability to cool and detoxify the body. With a high amount of soluble fiber, basil seeds help stimulate bowel movements, support digestion, and reduce constipation, a problem many face in their busy lives. When soaked, basil seeds also create a gel-like chia seeds, but they are more popular in summer drinks because of the cool and refreshing feeling they provide. Do you remember the last time you drank a cold basil seed drink on a hot day? That feeling is like a cool breeze blowing through the desert. However, compared to chia seeds, basil seeds have less protein and omega-3s and lower amounts of minerals like calcium or magnesium. But the advantage is that they are very affordable, easy to find in any market or supermarket, and are a suitable option for those who want to take care of their health without spending a lot. Basil seeds not only help cool you down, but also provide a light, comfortable feeling, especially when your body is crying out for help from heat or fatigue. Now, ask yourself, do you want a simple, natural, and effective way to improve your health every day? Chia and basil seeds are not just food, but powerful tools to solve problems faced by millions, from fatigue, heat, and digestive issues to the need for weight loss or heart health. Chia seeds are the ideal choice if you want a nutrient-dense food that supports your brain, bones, and weight control. Basil seeds are an excellent companion on a hot day, helping to detoxify the body and keep the digestive system strong at a low cost. What are you thinking now? Will you choose chia seeds, basil seeds, or both? Share your choice in the comments, and I'll reveal more tips on how to use them effectively in the next section. You now know that chia and basil seeds are nutritional heroes, but how can you incorporate them into your daily life in the simplest, most effective way? Don't worry, I'll guide you step by step, from selecting ingredients and preparation to blending them into your meals without much time or effort. More importantly, I'll reveal small tips to maximize the benefits of both these seeds, helping you be both healthy and enjoy delicious food. Are you ready to make your menu more diverse? Let's get started. Step 1. Choose and store chia seeds and basil seeds correctly. Before use, choosing quality seeds and storing them correctly is key. For chia seeds, choose ones that are uniform in black or white color, not clumped, and from a clear source, especially from a trustworthy brand or imported from South America. Basil seeds are easier to find, often sold in markets or supermarkets, but make sure the seeds are not moldy and have no impurities. Do you know a small tip for checking quality? Just soak a small amount of seeds in water for about 10 minutes. If the seeds swell and form a clear gel, that's a sign of good seeds. Condition: buy seeds from a reliable source. Check the expiration date on the package. Action: after buying, store the seeds in an airtight container in a dry and cool place, avoiding direct sunlight. Chia seeds can be stored up to 2 years, while basil seeds should be used within 6 months to maintain freshness. Check. Take a spoonful of seeds and check the smell. If they smell bad or are moldy, discard them immediately. Step 2. Soak the seeds correctly to activate nutrients. Both chia and basil seeds must be soaked in water before use to get the maximum benefits. This is a simple but very important step. Here's how to soak the seeds. Chia seeds. Mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, about 10 to 15 grams, with 100 milliliters of water, milk, or juice. Stir well and let sit for 10 to 15 minutes. You'll see the seeds swell into a smooth gel. If you want to use them immediately, stir again to prevent clumping. Basil seeds. Use 1 tablespoon of basil seeds with 150 milliliters of warm water. Do not use hot water as it can destroy nutrients. Soak for 5 to 10 minutes, stirring gently to ensure the seeds swell evenly. Basil seeds swell faster than chia seeds and feel lighter when you drink them. Condition. Use clean or warm water for soaking. If using juice or milk, choose an unsweetened option for best health benefits. Action. Soak the seeds before adding them to food or drinks. You can prepare soaked seeds in a jar, store them in the refrigerator, and use them for 2 to 3 days. Check. Make sure the seeds have swollen evenly and formed a gel. If the seeds are still hard or don't swell, they may be of low quality. Do you have a habit of preparing breakfast in advance? Try soaking chia seeds overnight and share how you incorporate them in the comments. Step 3.
Incorporate chia and basil seeds into your daily menu. Now, for the most interesting part, how to turn chia and basil seeds into delicious food or drinks. Here are some creative ideas you can try today. Chia seeds. Energy smoothie. Add 1 tablespoon of soaked chia seeds to a banana, mango, or strawberry smoothie. Chia seeds will thicken the smoothie and help you feel full longer, perfect for breakfast or an afternoon snack. Nutritional salad. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of dried chia seeds on a salad with leafy greens, tomatoes, and avocado. The chia seeds will absorb water from the vegetables, adding a crisp texture and more fiber. Healthy baked goods. Mix chia seeds into the batter for muffins or oatmeal cookies. They not only add nutrition, but also help the baked goods stay moist. Basil seeds. Cooling drink. Mix soaked basil seeds with fresh lemonade or coconut water. Add a little honey and mint leaves. It's the perfect drink for a hot day. Sweet pudding. Add basil seeds to your sweet corn pudding or chocolate pudding. The gel from the basil seeds adds a crunchy texture, making the pudding more appealing. Fruit gelatin. Mix basil seeds with natural fruit juice. Chill for 2 to 3 hours. You'll get a refreshing and healthy gelatin for the whole family. Condition. Use only 1 to 2 tablespoons per day, about 10 to 20 grams, to avoid getting too much fiber, which can cause bloating. Drink enough water when consuming the seeds to aid digestion. Action. Try 1 new recipe each week to get familiar with chia and basil seeds. Write down how you feel about the taste and the effect on your body after 7 days. Step 4. Important precautions when using. For safety and effectiveness, please remember the following. Don't overdo it. Although chia and basil seeds are healthy, using too much can cause bloating or digestive issues. Those with a sensitive digestive system should start with half a tablespoon per day and gradually increase. Be careful with chia seeds if you're on medication. Chia seeds are high in omega-3s, which can affect blood clotting. If you are on blood thinners or blood pressure medication, consult a doctor before use. Combined with a healthy lifestyle, chia and basil seeds are not a magic bullet that solves all problems. Combine them with a balanced diet, exercise, and drinking enough water for the best results. Have you ever had problems when trying new foods? Share your story in the comments, and I'll suggest a chia or basil seed recipe that's right for you. Chia and basil seeds, though tiny, are secret weapons for easy and effective healthcare. Chia seeds offer comprehensive nutritional power, helping to build a strong body from the inside out. Basil seeds, with their familiarity and affordability, are a great way to cool down and aid digestion. Most importantly, both are easy to fit into your busy life, from a morning smoothie to an afternoon cooling drink. Now, I want to challenge you. Try using chia or basil seeds for 7 consecutive days starting today. Choose a recipe from this video. It could be a chia smoothie or basil seed lemonade, and write down how you feel. Do you feel lighter, have more energy, or digest better? Share your story in the comments because I believe your experience will inspire thousands of others. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful, share it with friends for good health together, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on other great health tips. Are you ready to make these tiny seeds your health companions? Take action today because a strong body starts with small steps.